Hello everyone, myself Siddharth from Rustan Info Private Limited. Today we are back again with a new video. So in the previous video we have taught about how to import ledgers from an Excel to Tally. So the same thing we are going to import with the stocks item and etc. everything. So first of all we have created a company just let's say there are no groups, nothing. Stock group, stock category is also empty, stock item is also empty. So let's say I want to import this Excel to Tally. So here is the item name: iPhone, Redmi, Samsung, Motorola. Here is the description of the items. Here is the stock group. Here is the stock category, units. We can export all these things to Tally, rates, etc. So let me show you how. First of all, we go to the gateway of a Tally. Simply press Ctrl Alt T together. Here on the right hand side we can see the manage local TDLs. Enter. Yes, yes. So this is our TCP file from which we can import our data from an Excel to Tally. Here we simply load this, enter, and of a list. So the item import menu has been shown to the screen. Simply click on that. Here the main thing come. Let's say this is my Excel sheet path. I will copy my path over here, paste it over here, and after pasting my path just type slash our sheet name, stock sheet dot xlsx, and our Excel file has been copied to Tally. Alter. See the stock group, the electronic devices came, the stock item, iPhone, Lenovo, Micromax, Motorola. How many items which we have added in our Excel file? All the items are imported directly to Tally.